Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a shortcut in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. When you open a new tab, you will see the Google search bar in the center and some round icons just below it. These icons are shortcuts to websites. On the right side of these icons you will see a button with a plus symbol that says Add Shortcut. Click on it. A small window will appear asking you to type the name of your shortcut. This can be the name of the website or any label that helps you remember it. Below that, there is a box where you need to type or paste the web address. For example, if you want to make a shortcut for YouTube, type youtube.com in the link box. Once you have entered the name and the link, click on Done. Your new shortcut will now appear on the New Tab page along with your other shortcuts. From now on, whenever you open a new tab, you can just click that shortcut to go directly to the website. You can repeat these steps for as many sites as you want, so your most used websites are always one click away. That is how you add a shortcut in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.